Hey everybody, it's Scott with FDJtool. I want to show you something really neat that we just got in. They are thermal finger guards. These are little silicone things, are so cool because look at this. They stretch to fit on your fingers, even my big fat fingers. They go right on your thumb like this. You get 3 of them in a pack, so now you can grip things and protect your fingers. And the beauty of them is that the silicone is heat resistant up to 400 degrees. So when you're using stuff like your wax pens or soldering irons, or even when you're buffing, it's going to keep your fingers nice and cool. And that stretchy silicone makes it easy to grip things, unlike those, what do you call those things, those leather finger cots?
Yep.
Oh, those are ridiculous. I don't know how anybody uses those things. And even better is when you're done, you can pick up your hot pizza and not worry about it. Oh, and they come red, blue, and purple assorted. Buy them today.